This has been our core focus. Semiconductor industry has to be here in a big way because we have the design talent over here. The next is the process of the manufacturing.
Pitch to press. Normally what happens is innovators or the businesses pitch their ideas to investors.
This is India's first AI chip, indigenously designed with the technology and the manpower from India, and proudly it is made in Telangana.
The innovative ideas by the TITA, which is led by Mr. Sandeep Maktala, is laudable. He has done so many other programs and other tech-related platforms to showcase and highlight many things. Primarily, when he started to literate digitally each and every citizen of Telangana, which has proven great results, and that program is still continuing. And he has devised so many other programs in terms of technology to be imparted to each and every citizen. And the latest is Pitch to Press. Is a novel exercise wherein all generalist friends would be infused with the new ideas, and through them it can reach to investor, it can reach to the end user, which will instill confidence, which will instill trust, which will instill lots of encouragement for the innovators to move forward. And his recent addition to his launching of this one publishing journal today, that will help people to educate, knowing the nuances of the technology field or any other field related in terms of technology, and getting educated about it, enlightened about it, and also to know about what's going in and about the technology. And about the T-chip, what he is trying to design is to create a platform where anybody who would like to go for innovation can come and start the process for the ultimate chip manufacturing. So this is a novel exercise and novel initiative which is done by TITA, that too by Sandeep, and it's very, very vibrant initiative which has been taken, which we will try to encourage them to have.
So what active role the Telangana government is playing to bring the semiconductor manufacturing?
Yes, this has been our core focus. Semiconductor industry has to be here in a big way because we have the design talent over here. The next is the process of the manufacturing. When we have the design talent over here, we would love to see that the design to move to the next level of manufacturing, and we hope the central government also assists this state to push the chip manufacturing here.
So is there any subsidy program that the state government is planning to give to?
No, yes, we have so many policy initiatives like giving some incentives, subsidies to the semiconductor industry, and we do a lot in terms of, and we do customize depending upon the product, depending upon the chip manufacturing. We do lots of it. And any other state would also be doing it, but here we got the talent. That is an additional, facility what we can give it to the chip manufacturing.
Digiton is one of the digital literacy initiative which we started way back in 2015. So after that, we did multiple digital literacy programs and code literacy programs across Telangana and across India. So today, the noble, for the noble cause and one of its kind in the world, Pitch to Press. Normally what happens is innovators or the businesses pitch their ideas to investors. But in this Pitch to Press program, so we as an innovators, so we pooled 111 innovators. They pitched their idea in front of the journalist. So if they pitch their idea to the journalist, it will carry if they publicize in a newspaper, or if they publish in the newspaper, or if they telecast it in the news channel, definitely, the reach will be more. On top of that, the authenticity will be there. So we planned 15 days back, and we invited innovators across Telangana to participate in this pitch. So we shortlisted a few of the ideas. It got flooded. In fact, almost we got around 900 plus applications from different sectors, different verticals, and we shortlisted to 111. And today, from morning till evening, all the innovators started pitching their idea to journalists. So hopefully, because my journey started in 2010, so from then I was very closely working with the social activities, and I closely connected with the journalists. So from the journalists or the reporters, they need stories, innovative stories. That is one side. Another side is for this innovator, they need their product or service to be publicized. So that's where this platform, Pitch to Press, is connecting journalist and an innovator. So this is the definitely, we listed 111, but we got 900 plus innovators, but all the top innovations we got.
I am mainly into the design of AI chips and its corresponding software ecosystem. So this is what we are building, and you can have a look at the chip what we have designed. And this is India's first AI chip, indigenously designed with the technology and the manpower from India, and proudly it is made in Telangana as well. So so it's all about that.
So how different is your
unlike other companies or the rivals, what I can say is we are offering complete ecosystem. You can see right from the software stack to the built-in hardware security and processing of AI on this chip. So right from Python till Silicon, we are reimagining the entire AI hardware and software co-design.